Hello everyone, welcome to Guidely. This is Aditya. So SBI news topic we are going to cover in this particular video. I'll try to keep the video as short as possible and I'll cover each and every important news. ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई न्यूज स्किप करूंगा, सारे important news cover करेंगे from March 2025 till August 2025, which is going to be helpful for your upcoming SBI PO and Clerk Mains examination as well as SBI PO interview. Along with that, if you are going to attend SBI Circle Based Officer interview in the upcoming days, वहां पर भी आपकी ये particular video बहुत ज्यादा help करने वाला है. Welcome to Guidely guys. This is Aditya. And if you are looking for the PDF of this particular session, you can get it from either from my paid Telegram group or from my this GA Genius by Aditya Sir Telegram group. My SBI CBO and SBI PO interview batches are live. So once you are cleared with the written examination and preparing for the interview, you can check the details. I can give you the assurity they will be one of the best courses available in India for the preparation of your interview. Starting with the news number one. पहले news से start कर लेते हैं. Unclaimed deposit. What is the meaning of unclaimed deposit? The money which is deposited in the bank account in India and not claimed for the duration of 10 years. ऐसा पैसा जो 10 साल तक claim ना किया गया उसे कहा जाता है unclaimed deposit. As per the report of the government of India, total money which is deposited in India in term of unclaimed deposit is 67,000 crore rupee. The important point is the amount 67,000 crore, out of this 19,329 crore rupees the amount which is deposited with the SBI. So SBI is on the top in term of unclaimed deposit in India. Maximum money deposited with SBI, followed by ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank is leading in the private sector bank category with the 2,000 crore rupee deposit. तो SBI टॉप पर है आपके PSBs के कैटेगरी में in term of the unclaimed deposit. Unclaimed deposit की बात हो रही है तो एक बात और जान लीजिएगा that there is a rule in India, if the unclaimed deposits, banks are not allowed to keep the unclaimed deposit with them. After 10 years of duration, they need to transfer this money to DEF. That is called Depositor Education Awareness Fund, maintained by the Reserve Bank of India, started in the year 2014 by the DEF, by the Banking Regulation Act 1949, Section 26A of Banking Regulation Act 1949. RBI is managing the DEF fund. RBI manage करता है DEF fund को. ठीक है, point clear. Next news. Global Finance Magazine named State Bank of India as the world best consumer bank for the year 2025. Global Finance Magazine is a global magazine, world level magazine. They announced State Bank of India as the world best consumer bank. ये याद रखना पड़ेगा आपको, consumer bank category. So world best consumer bank for the year 2025. And SBI chairperson CS Sethi sir is going to receive the award during the annual meeting of World Bank and IMF in October 2025 in Washington DC, USA. Apart from that, World Best Bank Award was given to Societe Generale of France. World Best Corporate Bank award was given to BBVA of Spain, and World Best Emerging Bank Market Bank was award given to JP Morgan. Not that important, because we need to remember World Best Consumer Bank Award that was given to State Bank of India by the Global Finance Magazine. Next one, State Bank of India is on the top in terms of the customer complaints in the banking industry. So a report named Business Responsibility Sustainability Report, that is called BRSR report, says that State Bank of India have received the maximum number of complaints in the last financial year. 6.87 lakh complaints, 6.87 lakh total complaints received by Reserve Bank of India. तो RBI ने total complaints जो आए हैं, RBI के तरफ से डेटा आया है that the total complaints received by the State Bank of India was 6.87 lakh. So SBI was on the top in terms of the total number of complaints in the last financial year. SBI also reported that the complaints were around 12,500 delay in the essential services like checkbook clearance, check clearance, DD creation, account opening, such type of 12,000 plus complaints were there with State Bank of India. The private sector bank, Axis Bank was on top. The private bank में Axis Bank top पर in term of complaint, SBI is on top in the public sector bank category. Interview में नहीं पूछेंगे, don't worry about that, about the complaint and all, but written examination में आ सकता है. Public sector bank recorded 44,218 crore rupee profit in the quarter one. Quarter one means we are talking about April, May and June quarter. April, May and June quarter 2025. In the quarter one, the profit of public sector bank increased by 11%, 44,200 crore rupees the total profit generated by the Indian generated by the Indian Public Sector Bank, all the 12 banks together. ये data है आपके 12 public sector banks का, including State Bank of India. The important point is, out of total profit, 43% profit generated by the State Bank of India alone. SBI अकेले का profit आपका रहा है 19,000. SBI अकेले का profit आपका रहा है 19,160 crore rupee. And this is the main data, that SBI alone profit is 19,160 crore rupee in the Q1 of the current financial year. Mein all the public sector bank profitability got increased. Only one bank was there where the profitability dropped down by 48%, that is Punjab National Bank. बाकी सारे बैंक का profitability increase हुआ है. In the last financial year, SBI generated the profit of approximately 70,000 crore, out of which 8,076 crore rupee was the dividend paid by State Bank of India to Government of India. तो SBI ने जो dividend payment किया है Government of India को last financial year में, वो है 8,076 crore rupee का. Check was presented by the chairperson of State Bank of India to the Government of India, that is Finance Minister. उनको चेक प्रेजेंट किया. तो 70,900 crore rupee was the overall net profit generated by the State Bank of India in the last financial year, out of which 8,076 crore was the dividend paid by SBI to Government of India. Public sector bank have done the write-off. Write-off होता है the NPA which is under the loss asset category, which is impossible for a bank to recover back. तो ऐसा NPA जिसको कंफर्म कर दिया गया कि it is a loss asset and it cannot be recovered by the bank. So removing the NPA from the list of NPA and putting it into the loss account is called write-off. So total amount of write-off done by the public sector bank in the last 5 financial year was 5.82 lakh crore. तो 5.82 lakh crore रुपए का write-off किया गया था public sector bank के द्वारा last 5 financial year में. Talking about the last year it was 91,260 crore rupee. 91,260 crore rupee was the write-off done by all the PSBs together. State Bank of India recently completed 70 year of the formation as on 1st of July 2025. We know that State Bank of India was formed from the Imperial Bank of India on 1st of July 1955. On the nationalization of Imperial Bank of India converted into State Bank of India. So 70 years completed by the State Bank of India in the current form, जो current form में इन्होंने complete किया है. After that, consolidated profit of State Bank of India last year was 77,500 crore. If you are getting confused, it is the profit generated by SBI along with the subsidiaries like SBI Capital, SBI Mutual Fund, SBI Card Payment, SBI Life Insurance, SBI General Insurance together. SBI alone profit was 70,900 crore. Approximately 71,000 crore was the profit generated by SBI. SBI is the third company after ONGC and Reliance to be there in the top 100 global corporations in the world. The application of SBI, everyone knows that is called UNO application. उसको कहा गया है UNO application. You need only one. Now the important current affairs: State Bank of India started charging fees over the transaction of IMPS, Immediate Mobile Payment Service. Immediate Mobile Payment Service is a facility under which immediately, anytime, Monday to Sunday, anytime, 24/7, we are able to transfer money, but up to 5 lakh rupee per day we can transfer by the use of IMPS. So in the IMPS, now the charges are applicable by the State Bank of India. So SBI started charging over 25,000 rupee transaction. Up to 25,000 IMPS transactions are still free. 25,000 तक के अभी भी free हैं. 25,000 to 1 lakh charges are 2 rupees. 1 lakh to 2 lakh charges are 6 rupees. 2 lakh to 5 lakh charges are 10 rupees. तो ये आपके charges applicable हो गए started from 15th of August 2025 onwards. State Bank of India announced the special personal loan facility only for the Agniveers working with the Indian Army. It is announced on the 79th Independence Day of India. Up to 30th of September 2025, this personal loan facility is available with the rate of interest 10.5%, which is actually low based on the personal loan category. तो personal loan के केस में कम ही है 10.5%. So special loan facility announced by the State Bank of India on the 79th Independence Day only for the Agniveers. Next one, State Bank Life Insurance partnered with AU Small Finance Bank. एक और point याद रखिएगा, AU is the first small finance bank in India to be converted into the universal bank form. AU already approved by the Reserve Bank of India to be converted into a universal bank. So very soon we will be able to see that AU Small Finance Bank will start working as a universal bank like HDFC, ICICI, Axis Bank, like this type of bank. So AU Small Finance Bank and State Bank of India Life Insurance collaborated together for the purpose of Bank Assurance Pact, in which AU is going to help SBI Life Insurance to sell the insurance product from the branches of AU Small Finance Bank. तो AU की branches से जो SBI Life Insurances के प्रोडक्ट सेल किए जाएंगे. SBI Life Insurance मुंबई महाराष्ट्र हेडक्वार्टर 2001 में फॉर्म हुआ. Amit Jhingran sir is the MD and CEO at present. SBI General Insurance, वो था life insurance, here general insurance. SBI General Insurance which sell automobile insurance, health insurance, etc. So SBI General Insurance partnered with the online platform called Upstock. On the Upstock platform, where people used to visit because of trading, investing into mutual fund, investing into equity, etc. Now they will be able to take the general insurance facility also on the Upstock. So it will be better for the people, those who are inclined with the support of digital facilities to take the insurance. So SBI General Insurance product will be available on the Upstock platform. इनके ऐप पर available होंगे. So mainly SBI General Insurance is focused on the motor insurance facility, automobile insurance facility, to sell the automobile insurance or motor insurance with the support of Upstock. SBI General Insurance is a non-life insurance company provider promoted by State Bank of India, founded in the 2009. Mumbai, Maharashtra is the headquarter. WinFast Auto, it is one of the Vietnam-based automobile company in India, recently started their manufacturing unit in Tuticorin, Tamil Nadu. This company have done the collaboration with the State Bank of India for the purpose of customer auto finance. So for example, as a customer, I am visiting to any automobile showroom of WinFast and I want to buy WinFast car. On that car, I am looking for the auto loan. State Bank of India will be a preferred banker for me. तो मुझे वहां पर सजेस्ट किया जाएगा, सर वी हैव द कोलैबोरेशन विद SBI, you can take the loan sir and you can buy the product today itself, and SBI officers will approve the loan immediately sir, because they have the collaboration with us. So this type of collaboration WinFast has done with the State Bank of India. Also remember, WinFast have also done the collaboration with HDFC Bank, but only for the dealer financing facility. Means if dealers are looking for the loan, auto financing, inventory financing, then they can collaborate with, then they can connect with HDFC. If a normal customer, individual customer want to take car loan, so they can connect with State Bank of India. बाकी यहाँ पर point है WinFast Auto related, you guys can check it from the PDF. State Bank of India open micro, small, medium enterprises center of excellence in the State Bank of India Academy in Gurugram. तो SBI ने अभी रिसेंटली MSME लेंडिंग और MSME बिजनेस को बूस्ट करने के लिए सेंटर ऑफ एक्सीलेंस लॉन्च किया है. कहां पर लॉन्च किया है? गुरुग्राम, हरियाणा. इट इज लॉन्च्ड. इट वाज इनॉग्रेटेड बाय द फाइनेंशियल सर्विस सेक्रेटरी एम नागराजू सर इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ चेयरपर्सन CS Sethi sir. One more very important point, that is State Bank of India have launched specialized trade finance center where in Kolkata and Hyderabad. So Kolkata, Hyderabad में specialized trade finance center and MSME center Gurugram. So specialized trade finance center started by State Bank of India in Kolkata and Hyderabad. These specialized hub are staffed by 800 skilled professionals, those who will be working over increasing the export finance facility, bank guarantee facility, letter of credit. In these areas they are going to work with. In areas में वो काम करेंगे. State Bank of India launched Dream to Demo, a link startup investors. It is a link between the startups and investors. This is a news of September month. ये September का news है. First week of September का news है ये वाला आपका Dream to Demo. So State Bank of India organized the first ever Dream to Demo initiative. It is an initiative under which entrepreneurs will get opportunity to pitch their products, to pitch their startup products, and based on the stages of product, that still your product is under the initial mode, it is only an idea till now, nothing is made. So based on that, there will be investment or solution will be available, or investment either in the form of loan or in the form of equity will be available from the State Bank of India along with the other investor. For this purpose, the State Bank of India have done the collaboration with the Startup Tamil Nadu and IIT Madras Incubation Cell. तो SBI ने collaboration किया है इसके लिए IIT Madras के साथ and Startup Tamil Nadu के साथ में, इनके साथ में collaboration किया. State Bank of India research report issues prediction that India contributed around 6.7% of the global economy in the incremental growth So in the incremental GDP, the share of India was 6.7%, and the share of alone State Bank of India was 1.1%. So SBI alone have the contribution of 1.1% in the world GDP in the incremental growth rate, that the GDP is increasing year on year. So in that one, the share of India was 6.7 and the share of State Bank of India was 1.1. SBI का share था 1.1. State Bank of India Mutual Fund now launched a specialized investment fund called Magnum. So specialized investment fund is actually a combination of mutual fund and portfolio management services. While in the portfolio management, usually 5 crore, 10 crore, 15 crore rupee given by the investors to the portfolio managers, they decide and create the investment portfolio according to the need of investor. Mutual fund is simple. You have 500 rupee also, you can invest into mutual fund. Company will decide where they are going to invest. You can simply select the sector. Rest company will decide. Rest AMC will decide where they are going to invest the money. Middle path is called a specialized investment fund. A specialized investment fund is a fund where one can start making the investment from the 10 lakh rupee onwards. 10 lakh rupees से investment start कर सकते हैं. This is the fifth fund house in India after Edelweiss, ITI, Miras and Quant. Axis and Nippon are also in the process. Nippon already got approved from the Reserve Bank of India, from the SEBI, to launch a specialized mutual fund now. So State Bank of India have launched a specialized mutual fund with the brand name called Magnum. Magnum brand name से launch किया है. It is a type of combination or it is a middle product between the upper range of mutual fund and the lower range of portfolio management. इनके बीच में इसको launch किया गया. Minimum investment limit होता है इसका 10 lakh rupee. 10 lakh rupees is the minimum investment limit in the specialized mutual fund. SBI Mutual Fund founded in the year 1987, Mumbai, Maharashtra headquarter. Mr. Nand Kishore is the MD and CEO. PhonePe partnered with the SBI Card for launching Purple Select Black credit card facility. These are the news only for the written examination. Interview में ये सब नहीं पूछा जाता आपसे अलग से. That PhonePe ने किसके साथ collaboration किया and all. So for the interview you can skip these type of news. The collaboration type of news only for launching the credit card. तो credit card related जो news आपके हैं ना, collaboration and credit card launch, that you can completely skip for the interview. SBI Securities unveiled zero fee intraday trading for the retail investors. So State Bank of India Capital Securities, SBI Securities recently launched Pro Zero, a new trading plan to eliminate the brokerage fees on the intraday trading. Intraday trading means you are buying an equity in the morning and selling the equity on the same day. So on the trading purpose, whatever the platform you are using, that platform charges certain transaction fees or transaction charges. So SBI eliminated the transaction charges. SBI ने बोला भाई हम transaction charges नहीं लेंगे. So if you are doing heavy transactions also on a daily basis, flat 20 rupees fees will be charged by the State Bank of India. तो SBI charge करेगा flat 20 rupees का fees instead of having the commission over the each transaction. तो commission वगैरह charge नहीं करेंगे. Pro Zero is the facility where you can take directly the flat fees of 20 rupees per order. तो 20 rupees आपका per order इस पर charge होगा. Flipkart and SBI collaborated to launch SBI Flipkart credit card facility. I have told you written exam के लिए important है. For interview you can skip such news. SBI project household net financial saving reaches to 22 lakh crore rupee in the financial year 2025. According to the latest economic research report by the State Bank of India, India's household net financial saving means the saving with the Indians moved to around 22 lakh crore rupee, that is around 6.6% of the net disposable income in the financial year 2025. So SBI issues a report where SBI shared the data that 22 lakh crore rupees the savings of Indians का जो savings है वो 22 lakh crore के approximately है. Credex have done the collaboration with the State Bank of India for digitally transforming the supply chain financing in India. So for the supply chain finance means MSME want to build their supply chain. They are doing the production in one part of the country and they want to send their product to everywhere in India, also out of India. So for creating the supply chain, the investment which is required, finance facility will be available for them in collaboration with the State Bank of India. Credex will be providing this facility. So Credex done the collaboration with SBI for offering the supply chain finance facility in India. Bank of Maharashtra done the collaboration with SBI Card to launch the co-branded credit card facility. So important only for the return. ठीक है, रिटर्न के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है, and for interview you can skip this news. Geo Financial Services taken the complete ownership in the Geo Payment Bank. This is important. Actually SBI used to own 17.8% in the Geo Payment Bank. So Geo Payment Bank was a joint venture between Geo Financial Services and SBI. SBI और Geo Financial Services का joint venture था आपका Geo Payment Bank. Now Geo Financial Services own 100% ownership in the Geo Payment Bank. All the stack, the complete stack, 17.8% shareholding sold by State Bank of India to the Geo Financial Services. तो SBI ने अपना पूरा शेयर होल्डिंग सेल कर दिया है और अभी कंप्लीट ओनरशिप आ गया है जियो फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज के पास में. जियो फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज फाउंडेड इन द 1999, मुंबई महाराष्ट्र हेडक्वार्टर है. State Bank of India partnered with PSB India to incorporate the Certified Financial Planner certification into the employee training program. So this is important if you are going to join State Bank of India soon, or if you are already working with SBI. So in that case, this is going to be an important. SBI have done the collaboration with Certified Financial Planner certification. That is FPSB के साथ में collaboration किया है. The main objective is now the 2.3 lakh employees of the 2.36 lakh employees of the State Bank of India are going to get the certification of the Certified Financial Planner. After completion of the course, after giving the test, they will get Certified Financial Planner certification. So these employees will be able to give the recommendation of the investment related recommendation, policy related recommendation. So they will be certified. For this purpose, State Bank of India have done the collaboration with FPSB, that is Financial Planning Standard Board. So FPSB के साथ में collaboration किया SBI ने, under which certification will be provided to working employees of State Bank of India. SBI to power banking services at 26 land ports in India. For that, SBI have done the collaboration with Land Port Authority of India. It means SBI is going to set up their small branches at 26 land ports in India. 26 land ports पर SBI अपनी branches set up करेगा. SBI Card collaborated with Apollo Pharmacy for launching the premium co-branded credit card, that is Apollo SBI Card. So Apollo SBI Card on the MasterCard network launched in collaboration with these two organizations. India provide financial assistance to Maldives for 50 million treasury bill with the support of $50 million treasury bill. This $50 million loan facility will be actually managed by State Bank of India on behalf of Government of India. तो SBI जो है ये गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से on the behalf of Government of India, SBI is going to subscribe these bonds, these treasury bills. So when SBI is subscribing it, it means SBI is purchasing these bonds and SBI will provide $50 million loan to the Maldives को ये provide कर रहा है. SBI Card join hand with the Tata Digital to launch Tata Neo Credit Card Facility. तो Tata Neo Credit Card Facility Tata Digital के साथ में collaboration करके launch किया है. Grahak Mitras is the initiative that is launched by the State Bank of India. It's a banking correspondent program. So Grahak Mitra, that is customer friend. It is a facility that will be launched by State Bank of India with the support of its subsidiary State Bank Operation Support Services. State Bank Operation Support Services. So those who are getting recruited as a SBI apprentice, they will be appointed in every branch to connect with the customer to guide them about the digital services. So more customers can start using the self-service channel like cash deposit machine, passbook printing machine, ATM withdrawal facility, green channel to withdraw money. So these facilities will be used by the customer and that will be guided by Grahak Mitras. तो ये भी initiative State Bank of India ने recently join किया है. Babita BP joined State Bank of India as a Deputy Chief Information Security Officer at the State Bank of India in July 2025. So ये आपके revision points हैं. Same news which we have covered recently. एक और point है, MS Dhoni officially continuing as a brand ambassador of State Bank of India in the current financial year. बाकी वही सारे points हैं जो मैंने अभी आप लोगों के साथ में discuss किए हैं. One more time for the revision. SBI CFO हैं कामेश्वर राव कुदावंती. चिल्ला श्रीनिवासु sir is the chairperson. नंद किशोर sir is leading SBI Mutual Fund. सलीला पांडे SBI Card Payment. नवीन चंद्र झा SBI General Insurance. अमित झिंगरन SBI Life Insurance. वीरेन बंसल sir SBI Capital and Prem Prabhakar SBI Venture Limited. SBI launches the Project Finance Unit for the AI FinTech e-commerce. ये पुराने न्यूज है, थोड़ा मार्च के पहले के न्यूज हैं ये आपके. If you guys want to cover it, you can cover these news from the PDF. ये थोड़ा पुराने हैं इसलिए मैंने लास्ट में रख दिए हैं. So if you want to cover it, you can cover it from the PDF also. PDF से cover कर लेना. But for the recent time, if you want, you can skip it. जैसे मार्च का ही न्यूज है, SBI Ashmita was the facility that was launched by State Bank of India on the International Women's Day. SBI Ashmita, collateral free digital loan facility exclusively for the women entrepreneurs. It was launched. Additionally, SBI introduced Nari Shakti Platinum Debit Card, which is having the multiple feature including the health insurance benefit facility. So SBI Ashmita is the digital saving account facility that is launched by saving and current account facility that is launched by State Bank of India, especially for the women. महिलाओं के लिए इसको लॉन्च किया गया था. SBI बेस्ट बैंक in India according to the Global Finance Magazine 2024. SBI acquired 10% stake in the Bima Sugam. SBI ने Bima Sugam में, that is a product of Bima Trinity, Bima Sugam, Bima Vahak, Bima Vistar. So within Bima Sugam, 10% stake acquired by SBI Life Insurance. Bima Sugam first CEO was Mr. Prasun Sikdar, who has been appointed. SBI launched Har Ghar Lakpati and SBI Patron scheme. It was launched in the month of January-February 2025. तो काफी पहले का न्यूज है. So the main objective of SBI Har Ghar Lakpati scheme was that everyone in India will be able to save at least 1 lakh rupee with the support of RD. So SBI Har Ghar Lakpati is the RD facility, एक तरीके का RD facility था, and SBI Patron was the FD facility. SBI launched NRI saving account facility, opening the saving account facility, tab based digital onboarding, means completely digital. NRI is not required to visit the bank branch for opening the bank account. They will be able to open the NRE, non-resident external, and NRO, non-resident ordinary account with the support of tab based banking, digital banking. Muthoot Microfinance done the co-lending agreement with the State Bank of India for providing the lending facility in the banking facility in the microfinance category. What is microfinance? Loan provided to a family where the family income is lower than, yearly family income is lower than 3 lakh rupee, and the EMI should not be more than 50% of the total monthly income. That type of loan provided by any bank or microfinance institution is called microfinance. SBI introduced affordable customized vehicle loan facility for the Uber fleet. So Uber want to increase their e-vehicles for the delivery purpose. For that, Uber have done the collaboration with the State Bank of India. Nagaland became the first Indian state to implement disaster management insurance for the public property. This disaster management insurance will be provided by SBI General Insurance. For which state? Nagaland. Assam became the first state to provide zero premium insurance facility for all the government employees of Assam. For this purpose, the collaboration was done with two banks, SBI and UBI. So Union Bank of India और State Bank of India के साथ में collaboration किया था. PDF will be available in this Telegram group, so you can get it from here. Remember that once you clear your CBO written examination or SBI PO written examination, visit to the Guidely for one of the best possible product of the interview on the Guidely platform. Anywhere in India, you will not able to find better than this. So SBI, we will be for SBI PO interview, we will be doing group discussion, group exercise, psychometric classes, everything within the batch. हर चीज batch में ही आपकी available होगी. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Please like the session, share with your friends so they can also get the content on time. Take care. Jai Hind. All the best.